Okay, go on Pete, up to it. You've got to... Whoa! There we have a 1941 Matchless G3 Girder model. One of the contract that used up the last of the 160 odd panel tanks, which was then blanked. Very sporty and nippy little bike, these. This is a well-used bike, it's not been recently restored. Got a few little niggly bits that they always seem to have, mainly with the electrical system as usual. It has actually had a electronic regulator fitted to this one, but it's still a bit intermittent. This one just carries the Matchless Flying M. A lot of people might think that isn't right, but there are actual pictures of some of the bikes having the Flying M on them. And Pete's been trucking along today on this, good for 50 plus miles an hour, and it's horrible road conditions today. This contract used up not only the this was the changeover year, they used up also engines, and they swapped bits about, and this one actually carries a G3L engine, and that's quite common in this sort of batch, because they didn't want to waste anything, and we were short of stuff in the war, as you will probably realise. It's been together a long time, and it runs really well, and that's probably about all I can say about it. I expect I'll think of something. Oh, the tinware's all correct. Should have said that, shouldn't I? Here he comes. What do you reckon, Pete?
Yep.
We off for a breakfast now, then?
Well, don't want to do it again.
No, that's good.
Got a few vans in.
Nah, you won't worry about that.